Hey gamers! Want to capture your sick plays and share them with the world? In this video I will show you how to use MedalTV, the ultimate clipping and recording software for gamers. Let's get started. First things first, let's download MedalTV. Head to your browser and type in medal.tv. Download the zip file by clicking on this download for Windows. It's also available on iOS or Android, but for now we will use the download for Windows. After it is downloaded, you will click on the Medal setup and you can launch MedalTV. Once you're in, you will see MedalTV's clean and intuitive interface. On the left you got your library over here, and here you can find all your clips you have recorded. There is also a community tab, and that is over here. And here you can see everyone who clipped on MedalTV. But today we are focusing on the settings tab, and that is where the real magic happens. We go to settings. Let's start with audio and camera settings. Under recording options you've got three choices: record all PC audio, record game audio only, or record game and Discord audio. I recommend record all PC audio. It captures everything from your mic to your game sounds. Next, enable separate game and voice tracks. This is over here. This splits your audio into two tracks, making editing a breeze. Don't forget to select your microphone and adjust the volume. For the next one, we go a little bit down, and there we got the noise suppression option. If your clips are noisy, turn on noise suppression. It's a game changer. Now let's set up your clipping and recording hotkeys. This is done under the tab Clips and Recording. As you can see, we can set the length of each clip we are clipping. I prefer to use the last 10 minutes for a full clip, so you can cut it afterwards. The hotkey is also set over here. I have used the F6 hotkey, but you can change it to every key you would prefer, like the letter G or something else. For quality, with standard it is 60 FPS and balanced performance and clarity. If your PC struggles, try lowering the bitrate or resolution. And for video encoder, test both GPU and CPU options to see which works the best for your setup. Next, let's talk about storage. Choose a folder to save your clips and set a storage limit to avoid filling up your drive. If you got a 16 GB of RAM, set the recording buffer to memory as shown down below over here. This ensures a smoother performance, otherwise use your disk, like here. Finally, disable unnecessary notifications and background updates for a better performance. Trust me, your PC will thank you later. And that's it, you're now ready to capture and share your best gaming moments with MedalTV. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Game on!